What's the outlook for Bitcoin? Let's find out. The most sought after question is, will Bitcoin hit $180,000 this year? In today's video, we'll take a closer look at Bitcoin's data and what's the future hold for 2025, which can provide clues as to whether it can hit $180,000 or not. Welcome to Smart Tech Lab. As I promised you last week, this is the second episode of Sunny Crypto series where we dive deep into the world of cryptocurrency and explores the latest trends, predictions and insights. First, let's take a look at 2024. The most notable event that happened was Bitcoin halving in April 2024. For those who are new to this concept, the halving is a pre-programmed event that occurs every 4 years, reducing the block reward for miners by 50%. This time, the reward dropped from 6.25 BTC to 3.125 BTC per block. Historically, halving have led to increased scarcity and eventually price surges. In the months following the halving, Bitcoin experienced heightened volatility. Initially, the price dipped as miners adjusted to the reduced rewards, but by mid-2024, Bitcoin began to climb steadily. This upward trend was fueled by government institutional adoption, with major corporations and financial institutions adding Bitcoin to their balance sheets. Another key driver in 2024 was the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs in major markets like US and Europe. These ETFs made it easier for retail and institutional investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin, further boosting demand. However, Bitcoin's performance wasn't just influenced by the crypto-specific events. Global economic factors also played a role. In 2024, central banks around the world continue to grapple with inflation and economic uncertainty. As a result, many investors turned into Bitcoin as a hedge against fiat currency devaluation. So what would happen in 2025? First, the full impact of the 2024 halving is expected to felt in 2025. Historically, Bitcoin's price has surged 12 to 18 months after its halving event. If this pattern holds, we could see Bitcoin reaching all new time heights in 2025. Second, institutional adoption likely to accelerate further, with more companies and government recognizing Bitcoin as a legitimate asset class. Demand is expected to increase. On the other hand, the Bitcoin is going to get scarce. Additionally, advancement in blockchain technology and regulatory clarity could make Bitcoin more accessible to mainstream investors. Now, let's address the big question. Can Bitcoin hit $180,000 in 2025? While this might sound ambitious, there's a data and historical trends that suggests it's not entirely out of reach. First, let's look at Bitcoin's historical performance after halving events. After the 2012 halving, Bitcoin's price surged from 12 to 1000 within a year. Similarly, in 2016 halving, Bitcoin went around 650 to 20,000 by end of 2017. Following the 2020 halving, Bitcoin climbed from 8,000 to 69,000 all-time high in November 2021. If this pattern continues, the 2024 halving could set the stage for another massive bull run in 2025. One of the most widely cited models in the crypto space is the stock-to-flow model, which we call as S2F, which measures Bitcoin's scarcity. According to this model, Bitcoin's price tends to increase as its supply becomes scarcer after each halving. The S2F model has historically been accurate in predicting Bitcoin's long-term price trends, and it suggests that Bitcoin could reach anything between $100,000 to $288,000 by 2025. While $180,000 falls within this range, it's important to note that this is a theoretical projection and not a guarantee. Bitcoin's growing adoption in emerging markets could contribute to its price surge. Countries facing hyperinflation, currency devaluation, or capital control are increasingly turning to Bitcoin as an alternative financial system. For example, nations like Argentina, Turkey, Nigeria, Bitcoin adoption has skyrocketed. If this trend continued, it could create a massive new wave of demand. It's important to approach this prediction with caution. While the data and trends are promising, Bitcoin's price is highly volatile and influenced by unpredictable factors like regulatory changes, technological risks, and market sentiments. Reaching 180,000 would require a perfect storm of favorable conditions, and there's no guarantee that this would happen. It's good to keep an eye on Bitcoin's related events in 2025. Development like launch of new layer 2 solution, improvement to the Lightning Network, and increased integration of Bitcoin into decentralized finance or DeFi ecosystem could further enhance its utility and value. So in conclusion, while $180,000 is an ambitious target, it's not impossible. Historical trends, the stock-to-flow model, institutional adoption, and global economic conditions all suggest that Bitcoin has the potential to reach this level in 2025. But as always, investors should remain cautious, do their own research, and never invest more than they could afford to lose. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insight into the world of cryptocurrency. Let us know in the comments what's your prediction for Bitcoin in 2025. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on next Sunday.